Hi, I'm Kathy Michael Sponheim, a fourth-generation potato farmer of Michael Family Farms in Urbana, Ohio. On our farm, we mainly grow round white potatoes. And today, I'm going to show you our family recipe of potato salad. It's one of my favorites from spring all the way through tailgating in the fall. To start, you're going to need 8 round white potatoes, 3/4 cup of chopped celery, and 3/4 cup of chopped onion. Now to make the dressing, you're going to need 1.5 cups of Miracle Whip, 3/4 cup of mayo, and then 1.5 teaspoons each of spicy brown mustard, coarse black pepper, and sugar. You'll mix those all together and set it aside, and then we'll get started. So first, you take your whole potatoes, wash them, and then cook them. Now a tip, in order to peel them more easily, I put them in the fridge for 2 to 3 hours. Once they're out of the fridge, you peel them and then cut them into 1-inch chunks. Once you have all your potatoes cut into 1-inch chunks, I put them into a large mixing bowl. Then you're gonna take your celery and onion and mix those in as well. Once these are mixed together, we'll be ready to start the dressing and add the dressing to our potatoes. Now to make the dressing, I have my daughter Sadie here to help me. Ready? All right, I'm gonna put in the spicy brown mustard, and then you can add the ground pepper and the sugar. Okay, once we have all those mixed together with the mayo and the Miracle Whip, I personally like a little bit more brown mustard and a little bit more pepper. Once it's all mixed together, we add it to our potato mixture. And then we mix it all together. You're right. So you'll get all your potatoes evenly coated with the dressing. Once those are all mixed together, we're gonna add our final touch with it, which is 1 cup of sour cream. The sour cream mixes with the mayo and the Miracle Whip to kind of level out the flavors and really bring everything together. Once you mix in your sour cream, put a little black pepper, a little bit of parsley on top, and it's ready to serve. And make sure that you refrigerate, and hope you enjoy our family's favorite potato salad. For more inspiring recipes, go to potatogoodness.com.